Hello dear students, this is your chapter number 5, that is possessive nouns. So first of all, what is possessive noun? Possessive noun means a possessive noun that shows a person or animal owns or has something. It means a form which is used with a noun to show its relationship to another noun or to show that something belongs to someone. For example, if I am saying that Romila's cat is under the bed, here I am saying Romila's cat. So here cat shows the possession and that shows something belongs to someone. So here cat belongs to Romila. Now, why we use possessive noun to show possession? We add s to nouns that don't end in s, and we just add the apostrophe to nouns that do end in s. So these are the rules. So here these general rules are there regarding the possessive. That is rule number 1, to show possession of singular nouns. So first rule is that with singular noun we have to add apostrophe s after the noun. Here you can see in the example, leaf is there, then after leaf the apostrophe and s is there, same like class. For the class, that class apostrophe s, that is classes, and leaves. So that is rule number 1. To show possession of singular noun, we have to add apostrophe s just after the noun. Second rule is to show possession of plural noun not ending in s. Now the second is plural noun but not ending with s. Then we have to add again apostrophe and s. For like woman, there's a en is there, that shows a plural noun. So we have to add apostrophe s. Children also apostrophe s. Now the third rule number is to show possession of plural nouns. Now the again plural nouns, but here what is the difference is that is ending in s. It means those nouns, those plural nouns which are ending with s, then we have to simply add only apostrophe, not s, because s is already there. So we have to add only apostrophe, not s. So these are the general rules. That is, first number singular noun we have to add with the apostrophe s, then plural noun but not ending with s, apostrophe s, and the plural noun that ends with s we have to put simply apostrophe. Now here some more examples are there. If it is a common noun, then we have to add s. That means if it is a singular and common noun, then we have to add apostrophe s. Here in the example it is given, that is dog's house. So it means house bear, that house is of dog. Then books, words, girls, dolls, birds, chicks, cars, engine, sister's room. Here what shows that something belongs to someone. Room belongs to sister. Pen belongs to Jim, that is Jim's pen. My mom's bag, that means bags is belongs to mom. So we write my mom's bag. The main thing is what is possession or what is possessive, the nouns to show that something belongs to someone. Now this is all for the singular noun, but if we say about the plural noun, then add with s, then we have to add simply apostrophe. Earlier we just also discussed that if the plural noun ends with s, then we have to put only apostrophe, like boys ball, table slag, girls hands. But the second rule regarding the plural noun, if the noun doesn't end in s, then we have to add apostrophe s, that is woman's bag, children's doll, man's shoes. If the noun is singular and ends with an s, but add s or add only the apostrophe, like the bus engine stopped, it means the bus engine stopped. Now the dog's collar is red. The word here, dogs, is the possessive noun. It tells you that the noun collar belongs to the dog, and add with the apostrophe s to end of the singular noun to make it possessive. More examples are there. Douglas borrowed Christian's ruler. The volunteers program needs more people. The horses' manes were brushed. Here horses are there. So S is already there. So only put apostrophe here also. Here name is there and no S, singular is there. So we have to put apostrophe with S. Then more example, the pony's rider was too small. Your brother's attitude got him trouble. Amy's report card was excellent. So these are some extra examples. Now again we review that. Add an apostrophe and S, that apostrophe S, to form the possessive of most singular nouns, then apostrophe only to the form of plural that ends with S, and apostrophe S to form the possessive of plural that do not end with S. These are 3 rules. Thank you.